Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. It's a beautiful day, it's a beautiful morning. Thank you kuwo wonke umuntu olalelayo, obukelayo, olikehayo, osubscribe-ayo. Asingeneni kuzo bafethu eze-Kaizer Chiefs. Mfundo Vilakazi noMduduzi Shabalala bafethu ba-attract-e interest e-Europe. Bafunwa amathimu ambalwa le phesheya kwey'lwandle bafethu. Legendary agent-ke umuntu, the biggest agent in the country bafethu, umuntu owaqala lento yobu-agency eSouth Africa ukuthi ba-represent ama-player benza ama-millions. Naye sekhomentileke bafowethu about ama-interest, and then ama-interest kaVilakazi, ama-interest kaShabalala laphana. But-ke u-explain-a nezinye izinto ukubaluleka ukuthi babheke ukuthi if bayahamba baya overseas baya kuphi, baya ethimini enjani, nanokuthi-ke izoba fit na i-system yaleyo team izobakhulisa. Cause kubaluleke kakhulu bafowethu ukuthi babheke ama-player. Kulula ukuvela uhamba. I was having a conversation. In fact, it was not a conversation, it was a comment. Omunye umuntu akhala ngokuthi why would uNgezane go to Romania, because i-Romania i-country poor. Otherwise ebholeni banemali e-right, but mawubheka i-situation ye-country yonke ayikho right. And uNgezane bebafuna ukuthi eze ney'ngane zakhe, maybe makabheka i-situation ye-country, no ways, never. But-ke Mdu Shabalala, Vilakazi, asingeneni kubo bafethu ukuthi utheni. uMike Makaba i-agent elikhulu uthi-ke i-interest yesikhona kuma-European teams, uthi yohlezi ikhona i-interest kubafana abancane aba-talented abafana noVilakazi noMduduzi Shabalala. Uthi mebeqhubeka nje beperforma kanje for iklabhu elingana ne-Kaizer Chiefs or efana ne-Kaizer Chiefs, interest yohlezi ikhona. But uthi njengoba kuke washo before ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi babheke ukuthi i-deal ezayo ikanjani, nanokuthi baplanele i-career yabo. Uthi-ke kumele bebuze ukuthi i-next move izosiza i-player ukuthi i-reach-e i-full potential or izoba holder back. Uthi-ke mawubuza abantu uthi when people ask me after iminyaka ewu-30 kwi-industry yokurepresent ama-player or ebholweni, ukuthi i-advisor inika abafana abancane ukuthi ithini bafethu for ama-contract. Uthi njalo uphendula ngendlela eyodwa, uthi it's not just about i-contract eyodwa but or i-move eyodwa. Uyaqhubeka ngoku-explain, but uthi uku-understand-a i-player ukuthi lona lifunani as an individual, ku-career yakhe la khona, nanokuthi ufuna ukuya kuphi. Uthi umsebenzi wabo laphana ezama-agent uku-make sure ukuthi ba-manage ama-player, ba-manage lawo ma-expectations, and then abadlali babafaka endleleni e-right, ku-right path. For example, asiyichaze lento lokuthi uthini singayi-complicate. For example, uVilakazi kusho ukuthi ngeke bangamtholela i-team abaziyo ukuthi ibhilivela kuma-young stars, i-team ene-foundation e-right, abaziyo ukuthi uzowathola ama-opportunities. Mawubheke e-Europe bathanda umuntu onomzimba kancane, babheke ukuthi maybe kuzothatha isikhathi esingakanani ukuthi afike kulowo mzimba loyo, or abamise e-countryni, bamthathe bambeke e-countryni la umzimba, it doesn't matter umzimba, yabo. So it's about the technical ability. Lesema-countryni afana no-Spain, uyababona abafana ukuthi bangakanani. Siqhubeke ngenkulumo yakhe. Uthi i-player lingasho ukuthi lona lifuna ukudlala kuma-league amakhulu laphana e-Europe. Uthi-ke leyo into enhle kakhulu ukuthi i-player lisho, but-ke uthi kumele kukhulunywe iqiniso, and with respect. Uthi uyalitshela i-player ukuthi okay, awukakafiki kuleyo level leyo, but-ke benza i-map ukuthi step by step ukuthi i-player lingafika kanjani. Ile nto abantu abahlezi bayisho ukuthi let's say uzi-player lase-South Africa, you can't just shoot straight to Germany, boma-England, boma-Spain, kumele uqale boma-Belgium, boma-Netherlands, la kungcono kahle udevelophe igame yakho kancane. Cause mawuzosuka lese uRelief Mofokeng njengoba bekuthiwa ufuna i-Barcelona B, by the way, i-level yakhona i-high. Mawubabheka abafana abasuka ku-Barcelona B, uyababona badlala, I mean like yini le academy yabo le strong bafowethu eproduce bonke labafana laba. If uzoya khona nje straight ingavele iphele i-career yakhe. Why? Because of ngeke progress, because i-competition i-tough kakhulu. Kumele aye lese kwama-countries lawa amanye amancane, maybe kuzomthatha 2 years ukuthi a-adapte to ibhola, and then after lokho uzothi boom. Uye eBelgium uyababona aboDoku abadlali abaningi, aboPesitao bandlule 3 Belgium before bafika ku-English Premier League, then bangaqala boma-Belgium, boma-Netherlands, kulawo ma-league lawo angekho super competitive, avele abulala i-player same time, but-ke i-confidence yakhe iyabhildeka lapho kancane kancane. Yeah. So uthi-ke i-interest it tends to a formal approach. Uthi-ke i-point of contact will be ne-player's current club, and then of course ne-player, ukuthi i-player lidicide-ani lona. Angazi nabo futhi ngicabanga ukuthi uVilakazi noShabalala ba-ready now ukuya e-Europe, cause siyazi ukudlala e-Europe bafethu akukho lula. But-ke akhona ama-player wala e-South Africa amancane already adlala laphana e-Europe. Abafana laphana bebadlala noVilakazi ka-under 20. Sikhuluma la ngomfana uSmith lo odlala i-defender udlalela i-QPR, udlala ku-second division yaku-English Premier e-England, ku-England Championship. I-league e-super competitive ngenye indlela bafowethu. I-league according to ama-law ku-standard i-better than i-PSL ya league leyo umfana adlala kuyo. Ngibona ukuthi bazomnika isikhathi uzodevelopha kahle umfana slowly but surely. Ngiyibonile le clip yakhe, I think izolo unawo bo-Saudi Mane, unama-players nje amaningi a-different laphana e-London, which is incredible ama-opportunities awatholayo nanokuthi a-interact close nama-players, ama-world class players bafowethu. Nabo bayajabula ukumbona umfana, imagine, that's incredible. Early this year belaphana eCape Town ngicabanga, manje seleni eNgilandi. So it means that ama-player afana noboVilakazi badlala nayo ethimini eyodwa laphana ka-under 20 and ba-super exposed to i-world football, nabo banawo ama-opportunities. But-ke abafani naye uSmith uyi-defender, uVilakazi udlala i-number 10 for i-South Africa under 20, uKaizer Chiefs idlala i-wing. Kuzoya nge-team ukuthi ifuna ukuthi a-add what it brings to the team, ukuthi uzo-add-ani laphana bafowethu. But yeah, i-interest ihlezi khona for abafana. uMduduzi Shabalala kukhulunywa ngaye laphana ukuthi i-interest yakhe yaqala last year, ukuthi ama-agent emfuna laphana nama-teams walokhunjana wa-overseas wamfuna. But ukuthi kumele aqhubeke laphana stressing importance of ukuthi abafana bathole ama-club a-right. I remember i-Kaizer Chiefs, there were reports ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs vele sengike ngakhuluma ngayo ukuthi ya-rejecta i-possible European move kaShabalala because of already umfana bebamnyonyobela. I don't know if abafana ba-ready ukuthi baye Europe, I don't know. But-ke once you get to the highest level or the higher level compared to the level la udlala khona, kuba ngconywana because of now uyakwazi ukuzipositiona, ukuzitshela ukuthi okay, uma ufika ejimini uyabona ukuthi i-standard si-high kangakanani, uzinike just couple of months ukuthi ukwazi uku-catch up. I believe like i-South Africa, these young boys bafethu they are super talented, bangadlala anywhere in the world, but udinga i-environment ezokuvumela ukuthi ezokuvumela noma ezokunika isikhathi sokuthi u-adapt bafethu kancane kancane. Ngeke ukuthi uyafika e-Europe ubuye e-South Africa uvele udlale same time. Awuna fiziki, fitness level yakhe low compared to labantu laba. Bengibukele lo interview ka-Morgan Gold. uMorgan Gold akhuluma ngokuthi wayale phesheya, I can't remember ithi mayimentionile la bekatrayela khona. Guess what? Uyasho ukuthi they're not talented compared to ama-South Africans, but technically they are far better than e-South Africa bafowethu. Why? Because of bonke bayawazi umsebenzi wabo, bayazi ukuthi kumele benzeni. Lese umuntu mebamba ibhola uyazi ukuthi i-next move yakhe yini. Umuntu unomsebenzi o-specific, i-fitness level-ke at the peak-ke bafowethu bafithi ngenye indlela. This reminds me of igame eMamelodi Sundowns versus iDortmund sonke sayibukela sabona ukuthi iMamelodi Sundowns first few minutes bekumele ibulale iDortmund same time, because iMamelodi Sundowns badominate i-position noma badominate igame u-strong, yibo abaziluzela leya game. But as the match progresses, you could see fitness level ukuthi okay, there's a difference-ke la between the two, i-level of fitness, like i-physique, bebabasha nge-physique, not i-talent. I-talent they are there, they are better than them, but you never beat umuntu ofithi kunawe bafowethu. Fana nomuntu wena u-talented kunomuntu ne, but-ke wena ujimanga unyaka wonke uzodlala igame nomuntu ojima each and every day, ngeke kulunge. So ngiqhathanisa naleyo nto leyo because of umuntu o-fitter than wena ngeke umshaye, khohlwa, because lo muntu angagijima 90 minutes aku-outpace. I-physique yabo into yashaya iMamelodi Sundowns, but-ke masibheka amagoli, iMamelodi Sundowns, yes, they conceded easy goals. Amagoli bekumele bangawa-concede, giving away uRonwen Williams enza amaphutha. But-ke from that level sabona ukuthi okay, European football is way above if iMamelodi Sundowns eno-Lucas Ribeiro at the time but i-fitness level bawubona ukuthi abakafiki laphana. So yiyo igap okumele bayi-catch up abafana. Same thing abafana no-Riley Mofokeng, ithalente likhona but fitness level, I mean khona umfana ubani uCampbell, yes uCampbell lo bamthatha ku-SuperSport United udlalela laphana eClub Brugge. Akakawathola ama-opportunities kakhulu naye super talented and i-fitness level yakhe iyeza uma umbheka umfana cause banokukhipha ama-clip wakhe laphana ejimini uyabona ukuthi okay he's getting there kancane kancane. But yazi ama-South African players are-super talented, angakumangaza uma engafokhasa ebholeni. Inkinga yabo abafokhasi ebholeni bafethu kakhulu, ibhola bali-treat-a nje. uThembinkosi Lorch ku-Orlando Pirates was talented but-ke bezenzela izinto zakhe ngaphandle ezi-affect-a i-fitness level yakhe ne-bit of arrogance ukuthi I'm not gonna give it all because I know ukuthi I'm the face of the team. Manje we-exposed to i-North Africa la kumele afocus ebholeni nje kuphela. Guess what, we're seeing one of the best performances of i-career kaThembinkosi Lorch. Cabanga bekumele silinde iMorocco ukuze simbone kahle. Why? Because he's far away from everyone, ne-distraction and the familiar environment around yena. Mfundo, I mean angadevelop igame yakhe. Into engiyithanda ngomfundo uyakwazi uku-adapta fast. I mean professional setup was not introduced long time ago but uyakwazi uku-adapta. Competitiveness unayo, taking players on and uyakwazi ukudlala izinamba 10, afocus ebholeni kuphela or ku-distribution kuphela. Kungaya nge-team engamfuna yaphesheya or emfunayo ukuthi izomdlalisa kanjani. Ubani le player leli? Khona iplayer bafethu engilibonile man. Beliku-interview lithi likhuluma no akusi-interview. Yes i-interview but ubaba kaKhanyisa Mayo uthe uPitso Mosimane angayisiza kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs because uPitso Mosimane une-eye for talent, kusho ukuthi uyakwazi ukubona abantu aba-talented, uyakwazi futhi ukusiza nabafana abancane ukuthi bakhuphuke. Yabona i-Kaizer Chiefs inama-player amancane amahle kakhulu laphana ku-DDC team. Uma ubheka uPitso Mosimane u-introduce abafana abangaki laphana abancane kuMamelodi Sundowns a-believe kubo, amake sure ukuthi i-weight yabo iyakhuphuka. Like unayo leyo nto leyo but-ke siyazi like he can spot i-talent but uyakwazi ukulimanenja because uku-spot i-talent is one thing but ukumanenja i-talent especially elincane, umuntu obona ngathi umhlaba wakhe akekho umuntu ozomtshela. Pitso Mosimane unayo leyo authority. That is why ubaba kaKhanyisa Mayo uthe laphana Pitso Mosimane angakwazi ukuba i-success ku-Kaizer Chiefs, enze izinto zenzeke for i-Kaizer Chiefs. I mean they have everything, ama-resources ku-Kaizer Chiefs akhona for them to elevate their game to the peak of i-continental game. Just nje kushoda nje lapho nalapho. But-ke masibheka o-coach abafana noPitso Mosimane, well akuthiwa uPitso Mosimane kuphela, bakhona nabo abanye o-coach abamnyama bafethu abagudi abangakwazi ukusiza i-team lese i-Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke njengoba inkinga sengikhuluma ngayo everyday njalo, but-ke o-coach bathe bazobazama laba abakhona laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs until the end of the year. So bona ukuthi what are they gonna bring for i-Kaizer Chiefs? Mhlampe they're gonna bring something spectacular. So far they've started really well. I mean already ngike ngayisho bana 6 wins, bana 22 points, nama-draw ayi-4, bana 1 lose nje kuphela in 11 games. So far so good for o-coach. Baqhubeke njalo bezibambe ziqine for amakhosi. Everyone is watching and obviously for them also it's beneficial for them to be at the helm laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. And they know very well ukuthi baningi o-coach ababhekile laphana isikhundla sokuba i-head coach ku-Kaizer Chiefs. If izinto azihambi kahle for bona, nabanye abantu bayawoma up, abasha ama-push up ba-ready ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs yang-approach. And I'm sure even the Kaizer Chiefs inayo i-map already ukuthi okay laba mebehluleka ibaphi abantu abazozama ukubazama for the following campaign, which is not gonna be easy because they have to follow up. I mean they've signed like 12 players. The following campaign kumele labadlali ababasayinile babe sebajoyine kahle isquad, sebajele kahle nesquad, seba ready to give it all for the team. So next season there's no excuse. Manje there's no excuse even manje because of a performance ku-Kaizer Chiefs ifuneka immediately, but i-excuse ingaba ukuthi besingakajwayelani kuma-player, in terms of the results and stuff, but-ke so far so good. They will be more powerful next year. So umuntu ozobe coach u-Kaizer Chiefs uzoba ne-pressure even bigger than the current pressure that abantu they are experiencing. Danko bafethu, cela ukuzibamba la. Cela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe, making sure bafethu ukuthi le page liyakhula because so leli page lethu bafethu. And I'm thinking of doing something lento ngizoyimenshina ngibone ukuthi abantu ba-responda kanjani. Ngicela if cause I might add amanye ama-voices like let's say if ngizovula nga-something umuntu ngi-add i-voice yomuntu engibuza i-question or abuze i-question and then ngiphendule from lapho mina. Ngingaqala leyo nto leyo sibone ukuthi izosebenza kanjani. Every question umuntu afuna ukuyibuza ngivule i-WhatsApp group bonke abantu bajoyine lapho, and then every day like abantu babuza ama-different questions about ama-player, ama-fixtures, analysis and everything. We can build our small community. Danko, bonga mina bafethu ngokusubscribe, ngokulike and making sure ukuthi le page liyakhula because ngaphandle kwe-viewership asina page, asinayo le channel le. Ngaphandle kwama-like wabantu asina, ngaphandle kwama-comment asina page. So but i-viewership is the most important thing and sinayo-ke i-viewership. Danko.